बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तर्जुमा, अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहमत वाला है। You are watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. The Clever Monkey Complete Story. A monkey lived in the forest. One day, he was caught in a hunter's net. Instead of panicking, he thought wisely. Slowly, he loosened the ropes and escaped. The other animals admired him, saying, "It's not strength, but wisdom that saves us." Moral: intelligence and patience lead to survival. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You were watching Dil Se Baatein 454, where stories become lessons and words touch the heart. We'll meet again with another heartfelt story. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.